Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhashree and today I'll be sharing two beautiful items I recently purchased from Amazon for gifting in an upcoming invitation of housewarming ceremony. One of them is this beautiful DIY crafting set of elephants made of MDF board. This I brought from a store named as Little Birdie Store in Amazon for 250 rupees, which I hand painted with acrylic colors, and this came as a set of two. This is a perfect gift for housewarming ceremony and it's also an ideal gift for crafts lovers. And the second item I bought from Amazon recently is this beautiful wall mounted fish ball. This is not made of glass, it is made of acrylic, so it's non breakable, and it came with a box of small colorful pebbles to decorate. This has cost me around about 750 rupees and I bought two of them. One I'll be gifting it to my friend and the other one I'll be keeping it with me. I'll decorate it in one of the wall of my living room like this, where I have my indoor plants. I bought this 12-inch bowl, but these bowls are available in different other small or bigger sizes. I don't have plans to keep fish in this bowl, but I have poured some water in this bowl. I have inserted a branch of money plant and a string light. And see how elegant this looks. This is the image that the seller has uploaded in Amazon for this product, and my bowl also looks almost the same like the seller's image, and I absolutely loved this product. So I hope my friend will also like this decor item as a gift from me for her new house. This kind of decor item is a perfect gift for housewarming ceremony. But along with the decor items, I always love to add something which is handcrafted by me to make the gifts much more special. So I bought this pair of elephants which I will hand paint and then gift it to my friend. But if you have someone in your friend circle who loves art and craft, then you can gift this blank pair of elephants to them because they would love to color it by themselves. Any crafts lover would love this kind of MDF pre-drawn cutouts as a gift. But I will be gifting to one of my friend who is not that fond of painting but loves to decorate her home, and it's her housewarming ceremony. So I will be coloring this item and transform this to a ready to use decor item for her. But before we get started, please do consider subscribing my channel and hit the notification bell icon if you are new here, because every Sunday I upload video on crafting, home decor and shopping hauls. So the first step would be to apply gesso on the back side of this item, and I can see that this base is detachable, so it will be very easy to color this item. So I have applied a thin coat of gesso on the back side of this item and on the base also, and then I have applied white acrylic color. I had a pack of 6 ceramic cones with me for a long time. बहुत दिन से ये रखा हुआ था, and I was actually looking for an opportunity to use these ceramic cones. So I'll be using these cones in this project. As you can see, this elephant, which is pre-drawn in this MDF board, has these borders, and I think this is the perfect place to use these ceramic cones so that I can have a 3D effect. I'm not sure if these borders are visible on the camera or not, but I have added a 3D look on the borders with the ceramic cones. Now let's color this elephant with the common elephant's color, the dark gray. Obviously, using those ceramic cones to give a 3D effect is not at all necessary, but I have used it because I had a lot of ceramic cones in my stock. That's why I wanted to use them. Actually, I bought those set of ceramic cones from Amazon 2 months back because I was planning to make a big Lippan art project with using those ceramic cones and mirrors. But unfortunately, I'm not getting time to sit or start that project. So those cones are ideally sitting in my craft box, and today, out of frustration, I wanted to use them in this elephant project. Otherwise, for this kind of pre-drawn MDF board projects, we don't need anything other than some colors. These are made of premium quality MDF board, so they have a smooth surface, so painting on them is very easy and very relaxing. I have used some mirror in the first one, but for the second elephant, I have not used any sequins. I have just simply colored it with some bright orange and yellow and some metallic gold and metallic blue. I think this kind of pre-drawn elephants or any items made of MDF board available at Amazon are the best gifting item, especially if you don't have time but you want to gift something hand painted. Then this is the ideal gift item, because it is very easy to fill colors inside this already outlined elephant's figure. It will hardly take 5-10 minutes to complete this. I'll try to give the Amazon product link in the description box of this video so that you can pick it from there. So this elephant is ready to carry my warm congratulations message to my friend on her Griha Pravesh or housewarming ceremony. So that's all for today. I'll come back next week with another set of home decor or DIY videos. By the way, did you see my stone painting short videos? I have collected all these pebbles from Tista River bank in North Bengal last month, and I have started painting on them. I have painted this cute cat and this rocking dog, and I have plans to paint all the rest of the pebbles. If you love rock painting, then do watch my short pebble painting videos. I have given the link of that pebble painting playlist in the I button above and in the description box of this video below. So please stay tuned to my channel and have a very happy week ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.